Today is first day of Ramadan and first day of fasting. Today is February 19 and today is Wednesday today or Thursday. And I wake up 4 o'clock for alarm, but I already wake up because of langga. I did not sleep nice. So before alarm, I already wake up. So now I'm making paratha for our siri for suhoor because close fasting I think will be 6:30. So first paratha, I'm making paratha and then chai. Then I make also chapati. But I make rice because last night also. Rice also and is cow's liver. Ayan silang nag-iinay siya. So paratha must be put oil here in chapati. Then we make like this roll. Ang ingay nilang yan. Langga, he will not be fasting because he's my special son. And this is my very big problem, tension of langga because he's not okay. He's my special son. So I think this is already for paratha. Yan, iniuntog na yung ulo niya. Then put here kasi may oil. Then we put here in hot. Then next this one. Then we put oil. In another stove now, I have to make now tea. So ito yung Lipton tea. Ayan. Lagyan ko ng 3 teaspoon. Ang paratha. Ito yung fresh milk ng buffalo. Pinakuluan ko last night. Alhamdulillah, done our suhoor. Ito yung chai na gumawa ako yan. Tapos yung paratha na ginawa ko, 2 kay Fahad, 1 kay Fatma, 1 kay Lakay. Tapos chapatis silangga din. Nag-fasting siya kahit hindi siya fasting. Kumain din siya ng 2 chapatis. Pero ako rice. Nagpainit ako ng rice. Yan, ito yung aking ginamit. Tapos ito na lang yung natira na niloto ko, cow's liver. Para ito kay langga for lunch. So, alhamdulillah. Tapos na ang siri o kaya suhoor. And then, na naman. Pag after open fasting, inshallah, 6:19. So, bali, 12 hours na, nothing by mouth in PO. Heaven water. So, may azan na. Tapos, nagsirin na. So, close, it means close fasting na. And ito yung, ginawa ko. Kunti. For lunch, ito kay langga. This is chicken, potatoes for biryani. And I'm cooking also rice here. And today is February 19 and today is Thursday and first day of Ramadan fasting. So this is for our dinner. After iftari, then we eat dinner. Done our iftari and dinner. After iftari, just we eat dates, two pieces of dates, and then drink this juice with the takmalango. Ayan oh. Naubos na, konti na lang yung isang jug. And then, ayan, ito yung pinagkainan namin nilangga. Ito yung kay Fahad at saka si Fatma, isang plato sila. Sila kay kumain siya ng chapati. Ito yung salon na sa biryani. So ito yung biryani na niloto ko, ayan kalahati. Meron pa kami pang bukas, pang suhor. Siri, ayan oh, marami pa. So alhamdulillah, done ang aming done 1 day Ramadan fasting, alhamdulillah. Ito naman yung fruit chat. Yung maya-maya pa namin ito kakainin. Ayan, bananas lang at saka apples, and then my dates at saka walnuts, and then sugar with evaporated milk. So ayan, may orange din. Ito naman yung pakora with chutney oh. Ayan.